Hey buddy, this is Stick. I got kind of bored outside. I want to go over to my dad's house, see what my dad's doing. See if maybe he invite me over for dinner sometime since I'll be seeing him soon. I'll be like, "What you doing, Dad? You gonna feed me? I ain't ate dinner with you in a while." So I was like, "Man, I'll come see you soon." I come to this idea. I was like, "Well, my damn brains and my know-how and all that stuff ain't doing me no damn good." My buddy came over the other day. He said he brought me some solder and stuff from the shop. And he's like, "Give you this, and hey, give me a watch too. It's a AirPods or something like that. I don't know. It's a nice ass watch. I can hear it ticking." Yeah. Thanks, buddy. He brought me some flux and some solder, all that stuff to get ready. He even brought me a crazy light, man. These are the ones that hang outside the building. He's like, "I brought you this light." He said 4 of them's not working on it. He said, but it's all right. He said the rest work. Crazy part about it is this damn thing is freaking crazy. Only 4 of them missing. And he's like, what can you do with that? I done counted them. There's like 32 LEDs in each one of them little things. 32 LEDs. That's a lot. Oh, wrong one. It's a lot of LEDs. And I can fix it too. I think 1 LED is, and the rest of them's all kaput. I got this damn big ass 75-inch TV now I can finally start working on. And right back here in the back, I got no shoes on. That's why I'm slipping and sliding. And it looks all funky. It feels funky too. I got this for my 70-inch TV. I got to replace the circuit on flex or film. And look at all my chips. I like chips. They're empty. They're all empty though. Did I say I like chips? I don't like chips that much. Well, I kind of do like chips. I really kind of do like chips. I got a whole box full of. Too bad it was empty, man, because I really could eat me some chips right now. Chips would be good, real good. But I got to thinking, and my buddy was telling me, you know what? I said, I ain't doing too good on YouTube. It's like, I say, well, you don't do what everybody else does. It's like, well, maybe I can do what everybody else does. So you know what you do? You need to make out a workout video. So here's my dad. When he came on the ship, it was like family day. He come visit me on the ship. These my buddies down in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. There's me with my Mitsubishi Clips, my 280Z. There's my dad again. I was always down at Mexico, in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and we rented. That's me right there, little guy. I still got that shirt. It says Rage Against Machines. Little guy, we sitting right down there, around the road in Mexico. We rented a Jeep. Just as soon as we went on the right, we went down the hill. We started going around the hill. We was coming around. The next thing you know, boom, we ran into a ditch. We all got stuck. And we had to find a way to get out. And these guys are vouch for it too, if they can remember. I know ain't nobody possible way they can forget. They're like, where the hell's Stick at? They're calling out my name, and here I come climbing down the damn hill with a telephone pole. I was dragging that thing. It was bigger than I was. I saved the day. I was happy as hell about that, man. Yeah, I 226 photos. I got 226 photos I took I did my radio and took my radio apart. I took pictures of every little thing, even the diagram. That's my bread and butter when I was locked up. I used that to make sure the radios was right and everything. And I'm about ready to start doing some more stuff. First, I got to get my workout video going. I already did a little bit of Kung Fu. I used to do Kung Fu and a little bit of Shaolin. I ain't as good as I used to be, but hell, man. I got something special for you. It might even make me famous. It might even work.